Mr. Muhammad Bilal Masood. Bilal, congratulations on clearing PMP, and I'm so happy to have you here. Right, Bilal, this is your journey. Share it in your own way. Share your journey, then we will go to the exam. Please.
First of all, I would say thanks to Allah, and secondly, I will say thank you too. And today, Alhamdulillah, with the blessing of Allah, I am a certified PMP, and it was not possible. Really, I can say if you are not my mentor, it was not possible. So yes, I still remember the thing you were saying that when I was coming back from Pakistan, I was on airport, and you contacted me, and you are saying that where are you, Bilal? Since 2 months you are totally off, and I said that I was on vacation, and just today I'm coming back, and inshallah when I will reach there, I will resume it. And when I came back again for 15 days, I was totally off. And then I remember the most important thing, which is my turning point, in like 1 or 1:30 a.m. Saudi time. I received a call. This was Amer sir. 1:30 a.m. I was not expecting that. I said, Who is this in this time?" So it was Amar sir. He said, "Bilal, where are you? Why are you not booking your exam?" I said, "Yes, sir, I'm planning to do that." He said, "Do you have any issue? Do you have any challenge with the money? I can pay it for you, but you have to book the exam immediately." I said, "No, no, sir, inshallah, I will book the exam." He said, "No, you have to book the exam immediately. Just do it today and give me your feedback." I said, "Okay." And at the same time, I just wake up, I do the membership, and then very next day, in first week, that was the first week of July, and in very next day, I booked the exam. I just asked Amar sir, yes, it is available for mid of August. He said, "Okay, no problem for you. If even after 3 weeks or 4 weeks you want to do that, you can book the exam." But there was no schedule, so the schedule was available for mid of August, after 1.5 month from first week of July. I just booked the exam after Amar sir's confirmation, and then again for 1 week or 1.5 week, I was not paying much attention to this because I was doing something else. But from mid of July, I can say from mid of July, I never sit a single day without PMP preparation. I gave minimum 4 hours to maximum 7 to 8 hours on daily basis from mid of July to till today. And Alhamdulillah, today I am a certified PMP. But it was not possible without Amar sir, because he is the one who motivates me. Because I was, as he was saying that I gave up, and because of nothing, I don't have any business, I don't have anything. I have some business for the project, for my business life, but it was not, you can say, like it was not impediment. So just because of nothing, I was demotivated. And then when I received a call from Amar sir, from the very next day, I started my journey again. I resumed it, and Alhamdulillah, today I am certified PMP.
What would you advise to those people they want to do how the things happen?
Yeah, they should do the RCA in Excel, I will say, because if you will write something with your hand, it will not forget. You will not forget that later.
Mm.
If you will, yeah, if you will write something with your hand, or with even on the Excel, it is by your hand. So if you will write something with your hand, you will not forget that later.
Mm. Mm.
And so the main thing is follow the instructions of Amar sirs and your facilitator. And then the second thing, do all the mocks, and detailed RCA is very important. And the second thing, the third thing, believe yourself. You just say to you, you can do it. And if you will do it like this, and you will with your effort, at the end, when you will come out and you will see your PMP certificate in your hand, you cannot believe that the level of your happiness.